Hello everyone, hoping to be fine. Just a quick show for our ASIGA MAX works for the models. It's mentioned already, ASIGA MAX on each color. As you see, the anatomy is more than perfect for each color. Here's the Duran Plus, how it looks also by Blast duplication mold, skin packaging. This one for the dental layers if they need to do the packaging. Okay, here we have the demo case also. Clear aligner with soft, hard and medium cosmetics blend. As we see, two colors of cosmetics blend. As we have here, two colors. Bracket transfer, saving much time for each doctor. Temporary splends. We have here also temporary blades. You can see how professionally done. For sure it needs good technician in addition to our professional machine, Ministar or Biostar. Here we have splents that use Duran 1.5. This fluorization splents. There's two colors. I'm putting gel here for each patient, and there is opens for the gel to go out for curing. Bleaching splent itself. How much good anatomy, how much material is flexible. Here we have the mouse guard with each colors. Much colors for the mouse guard. Splents also. Positioner. Check the anatomy well. White tray, white registration tray. Here we have 4 crowns, temporary. Only this part, oops. Here it is, temporary crown. Here we have, as you can see, the railing templates for those who are using implants. You see this one to be in specific place. This one, prox checker, as you can see, to be with the patient through the night. Here we have retainer. This one, how professionally is it done? The retainer. And here we are with Scheu-Dental with ASIGA MAX and Biostar and Ministar machine. Got also some famous item like Duran Plus and Duran Plus White, Duran Soft to be for our stock. Duran Soft BD, so she comes sheet by sheet. Duran Soft BD by Plastic Extreme, Duran Plus, in addition to Isofallen.